I'm back. I'm so glad to be back. I've been so busy over the past month. I've moved, literally so much crap has happened, but I'm back with a bang and I'm going to do this massive makeup haul. As you can see, I've got loads, hundreds and hundreds of pounds of products, £390 to be exact, of makeup which I want to share with you all, my go-tos, my favourites, my recommendations and some new products that I'm excited to try. But if you would like to see what I've spent my money on, then stay tuned. But before you start, don't forget to subscribe, put a big thumbs up and leave a cheeky little comment in the comment section. Thank you. Let's talk makeup. Biggest haul you're literally ever going to see. So there's about £400 worth of products in this box. You wouldn't think they'd all fit in there, but makeup is not cheap. So I'm excited. I'm very excited to do this with you. So, let's split it open a little bit. Let's talk then. I'm going to start off. Should we start off with face? Because you do your face first sort of thing. Well, you do your eyes, but I haven't really got much eye product in here. So, we'll start off with face. Or should we, no, let's start off by doing brands. We'll do it by a brand. So, we'll start off with Morphe. Morphe, obviously you guys know, Morphe is my go-to lip liner, lip gloss, lipstick, any sort of lip products going on. That's my go-to brand. So let's get my products out. I've got 4 lip liners that I've purchased from Morphe in the Black Friday sale. So I did get them slightly cheaper. I got them at £2.50 each. Bargain, like I couldn't actually believe it. So I bought 4 because I mean, why not? So I bought quite bright colours because I always find myself buying nude lip liners, and I kind of wanted to just be a bit wild and just go and buy some bright ones. So I bought the red one, which is in high maintenance. I'll show you it open. So it's like a really bright red. Like an orangey red actually. Then I got the shade Scarlet, which I'm actually wearing now. This is a gorgeous red. That's more like a Christmassy red, if you know what I mean. Then I got some summer style ones, just because who don't love summer colours. This is in the shade Sunkist. Which, do you know what? It doesn't look, so it looks orangey there, but I mean on my hand it's actually more like a light pink. You wouldn't even think that was the right lip liner, but it is apparently. So that's Sunkist. I'd probably wear that with like a clear gloss rather than a lipstick. And then we've got the Fairy Dust. Same again, this is a really light shade. This is like a baby pink. I don't know if you can see it, but I would probably wear that a clear gloss as well. So I've got my boyfriend's phone just because I'm filming off my phone and I need to scan the products just to see what they retail at. I did have it written down, but you know. Right, so Morphe Lip Glosses. These are, I did pay £6 for them in the sale on Black Friday, but they do retail at £10 each. So I got 2 in the sale, which, so basically I got 2 for 12 quid. And I got these in the colours It's a Vibe, which is a clear colour, which I was really excited to try. Clear gloss. And then I got it in the colour Freebird, which is like a nude. Don't ask me why I got another nude gloss. Literally, like, what is wrong with me? Gorgeous, gorgeous nude. I love the texture of these as well, and they're not sticky, which I love. I hate sticky lip glosses. Walking down the street and like your hair's getting stuck to your lip and stuff. I can't deal with that. It's not I'm not about that life. Let's go on to Peaches and Cream. So I did get these, obviously, who don't love Peaches glitter? They do glitters, shimmers, lip liners, bronzers, everything. But I rate their glitters the most. So I did get them in the colour Double Denim, which is a nice blue shimmer. And I also got a black shimmer, which I don't know where I've put it actually. Can't find it, but I bought a black shimmer, which was called Magpie. And I got these in the 2 for £10 deal, which was also in the Black Friday sale. So really good offer. But they do normally retail at £6 each, I believe. So now let's go on to MAC Cosmetics, because you know I believe it is so underrated, especially their foundations. It is probably one of my go-to foundations. Depends what kind of look I'm going for. But yeah, so I topped up on some of my favourites. So first off, we're starting off with the MAC Studio Face and Body. I got this in the shade C2, which is equivalent, I'd say, to NC20, which is like a go-to one of mine. So I like to use this, you know, if I'm having more of a natural look, don't want too much makeup on my face, you know, but still want to have the coverage and look good. This is the one. And this is a 120ml, so it's a big pot. And I believe this retails at, so this retails at £32. But I do believe MAC Cosmetics are having a sale on right now. So if you want to get yourself a bargain, then I'll pop their link in the description box down below. Then I got my favourite, MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix Fluid. This is so underrated. I feel like it doesn't get the recognition it deserves. So I got this in the shade NC20 and NC30. These are 30ml pots, and these retail at £27. I think £27.50 or £27. Let's check. Yeah, they retail at £27, but yet again, MAC have got a sale on. So I got 2 of those because NC30 is more of my shade of when I'm going out, and then NC20 is more of like just a day-to-day kind of shade. Well, I bought the MAC concealer. This is in the shade NC15, so it's slightly lighter. Although this is quite a small pot, it's only 9ml, and it wasn't that cheap. So this was £20 it retails at. I think you can get it on Look Fantastic for £19.50. But like I said, MAC are doing a sale on, so it's currently on at £16, which, you know, is quite pricey really for a concealer when you think about it. However, it's meant to be really good, so I'm going to give that a try. I haven't tried it yet. I normally go in with cheaper concealers, but I thought, you know, let's treat myself, why not? I deserve it. So yeah, I bought that in NC15. Let's talk MAC bronzers. So I bought the MAC Cosmetics Mineralize, can't even say it, Skin Finish. This is in the shade Cheeky Bronze. So beautiful, shimmery bronze. Oh, that's making me excited. Oh, I love that. Yeah, love that shade. So yeah, I've got the one at the moment in Global Glow, but I did just want to try more of a bronzy one for different, you know, skin tones and stuff. So I believe it retails at £27, but they have a sale on at the moment for £21.60. Now we're going in with my standard bronze. This is in the shade Give Me Sun. Love this shade. Just a classic bronzer. I think MAC bronzers are the best bronzers about. They're the best. So that retails at £27 as well. Then I've got a MAC blusher. I wanted to get a new blusher because I feel like I've been buying a lot of cream products lately. And I just wanted like a new blush powder. So I bought this, and this is Flirting with Danger. If I can open it. Oh. So it is quite dark, but I feel like you'll literally need a smidge. But I feel like that will look really nice on your cheeks. So I'm going to give that a try. That retails at £24. But obviously, I wonder if it will be cheaper at the moment. Love their packaging as well. MAC is so classy, I love it. Then I bought the MAC Strobe Face Glaze Illuminator. So this is gorgeous. I bought this in the shade Bronzer. Sorry, I had to do that. And it's a small 15ml pot. However, I've used that today. So I'm looking extra glowy today thanks to this baby. So I will be posting this tutorial next Sunday so you can see how it goes. But yeah, they do this in 3 different shades. The shade I originally wanted, they didn't have in stock, so I did go with the darker one, just because I was really tempted to try it. This retails at £16, I think. So now we're going to go on to lipsticks. So don't ask me why. Again, bought nude lipstick. I've got about 1 million nudes. So this is in the shade Tape. Don't know how you say it. Taupe, I'm guessing. Oh, can we just appreciate that? Can we just appreciate that nude? Oh, it's beautiful. Let's just give it a little tester. Oh, I'm loving that. That is a bit of me. Definitely a bit of me, mate. Really excited to try that. And is it just me, or do you love the smell of MAC lipsticks? Because I do. I absolutely love the smell of them. Then the other one I got was Honey Love, which I've seen a lot of other MUAs like rave about this. So I thought I'll give it a go. Nice light nude. So I feel like that will look gorgeous on. So yeah, that's added to my collection of nudes. Why not? You can never have too many nudes. So the MAC lipsticks retail at £17.50 each. But I believe they're on MAC at the moment for about £12. So get yourself a cheeky nude bargain. And now I'm going to go on to Nars. So I topped up on my favourite foundation. So I topped up on my dewy foundation. This is the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear foundation. I did to get this in a lighter shade this time though. I got this in the shade Fiji. This is more for like everyday sort of colour. Today I've got on Barcelona, which is obviously a lot darker, but it's because I've got tan on. So yeah, this is great for if you're going for that dewy kind of, I want to look glam look. This is the one. This is your bad boy. But yeah, this retails at £35 on Nars website and look fantastic and stuff wherever you shop. It retails at £35. Then I bought the Nars Concealer. So I bought this in the shade Custard. This is the Radiant Creamy Concealer. And I believe this retails at £24. So it is quite expensive for a concealer, but it does work. It's amazing. I've got it on today. I've got it on today and I'm loving it. It's a thumbs up. Now, the last but not least, you know, because save the best till last and all that. I bought the Nars Liquid Blush. I mean, if you don't know about this product, then you need to get to know. Do you know what I mean? Like, this is amazing. So this is in the shade Orgasm. This product is unbelievable. So it is only a 15ml product and it does retail at £25. So you feel like you are, you know, paying a little bit extra. But it is a really, really good product. I've got it on today, so my cheeks do look quite peachy and stuff. But this has got to be a makeup must-have. If you're an MUA just starting out, you need to get this in your kit. It will last you a while, you know. You don't need much at all. Literally the tiniest drop and it will do the job. This is a must-have. I don't know why I didn't get it sooner, but yeah, loving it. Oh, I found that Peaches and Cream Magpie. It's just like a black shimmer. It looks blue in the light, but it's black. Now, going on to Beauty Bay, I got a couple of items off of there last minute just because I felt like I needed them. Beauty Bay sponges, I love them. I mean, I know I'm not actually a sponge girl. I love my brushes, but I do like a sponge now and again just to really blend out my concealer and stuff. But for some reason, I always lose my sponges. I mean, I don't know if it's because I've just moved house and everything's packed away, but I'll tell you what, I swear I lose them all the time. So I bought these ones anyway. These are the microfiber makeup sponges and you get 2 in a pack. They just look dreamy, don't they, just looking at them. So they are quite small, but I know that when you do put water on them, they do expand. So, and because they're microfiber, they feel literally amazing. Yeah, they feel fab. So I'm excited to give these a go. So I don't normally get the microfiber ones, but I thought I'd give them a go. These do retail at £8 for a pack, which I think is pretty good because they are good quality and they do last a while. But yeah, £8 on Beauty Bay for a pack of 2. Perfect stocking filler for Christmas. Now let's go on to the Beauty Bay palette. I mean, you can tell I've opened it. I was too excited. So you get 16 colour palettes. It's only small, but this was a bargain. It was only £10, which I think is really good for a palette. And I've got a few of the Beauty Bay own brand palettes now, and I do really rate them. For the prices that you pay in, I do think that you are getting good quality products. So if you're not one that wants to spend £40 on a makeup palette, get on Beauty Bay, buy yourself a cheeky little one and just see if you like it. Then if you do, you can buy the bigger one for like £23. So, let's show you the shades. Oh, these shades. Are you ready for the reveal? Are you ready though? 3, 2, and 1. Boom. Look at that. Oh my days. That is heaven. Honestly, you've got shimmers and mattes in the 16 colour palette. And you've got a mixture of reds, orange tones, brown tones, cream tones. That is me all over. Like if that had my name on it, that should have my name on it actually. That should have my name on it. That is me. I can see me in that. So I'm really excited to try this. I'm going to do some looks on it over the next coming weeks. So make sure to stay tuned. But I just feel like for £10, you can't go wrong. And obviously they do other palettes with different colours, different shades and everything. So yeah, buzzing to try that. Yeah, I mean, would you think there was £400 worth of products there? Probably not. Is there? Yes, there is. Like, I'm not even joking. I counted it all. So I think that's it then. That's everything for my makeup haul. I really hope you enjoyed watching me spend my money and share it all with you. But yeah, if you'd like to see more videos like this, then feel free to let me know. Any products that I did use in this video will be in the description box down below, along with all of my social media platforms such as Instagram and Facebook. So feel free to give me a little follow on those. But before you go, don't forget to subscribe, put a thumbs up and leave a cheeky little comment in the comment section. Thank you.